What's up, everybody? It's Rodney Ross, Mid-State Welding. Taking a little cruise back here at the Swanson Ranch. Going back here to a riser that was on their irrigation. And irrigation, that's like a ways back here, but I capped it off here a little while back, and they have a riser that they want me to put on now, so I am going back there to weld it on. I'm going to cut the cap off and put it on, and as y'all seen, I welded that ring on, so it'll just slide right on there. Little cool fun fact about the Swanson Ranch. It is a family-owned ranch, and it has been around for 100 years, and right here in the Black Hills. And so it's super neat to get to do stuff here on this ranch. They've been more than amazing to be around and be a part of. I'm making videos of what projects we do, just kind of take you along, kind of see what all goes into them. And if you're into videos like this and would like to see more, click subscribe, ring the bell to get notified, and if you like this video, click like. Don't y'all love it whenever you have spectators watching you and not doing anything? Here we are. That old riser. Gonna cut it off and put this hill on here, so see how it goes. That piece I got, it should just slide right over it. So slide it over and put some clamps on there and make it work. Little tip of the day: if you're running a 1/8, 60-10, 60-11, and you are welding with 332, 70-18, you can change them out without needing to go adjust your heat. So if you got a 1/8, you're welding like what I was just doing, you throw in a 70-18 and just keep on trucking.
Someone's trying to take a peek. You just gonna be a spectator or what? Why don't you come down here and buff this weld off for me? No? Alright. Have it that way then.
Okay, I found out that irrigation line was put in early 60s. Just for reference on how old that is, because it was pretty old, had a lot of rust on there. But it's always cool to get to work on a project like that where it's like it's got some historical timeline or value. So I'd say that's pretty cool. But I have worked on a line, a natural gas line. We were removing it, and it was put in the 1930s, is what the inspector said. And that was pretty cool. I actually still have a cutout from that job, just so I can say I worked on it. But if any of you are like me, that likes a little history and whatnot, comment below, say history, or not say, but type it in.